Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here. As you can see, today we're going to be working with another Auxbeam product. The new S2 bulbs. This is the H4 version. We're working on a 91 Audi S2. As you can see, it's not your average stock S2. It's got a lot of unicorns under the hood. So, let's take a look at the bulbs really quickly. As you can see, bulbs are nice and shiny. Looks really nice. And then, if we go down here, this is where all the magic's gonna happen. I'm gonna have a guy here take out the old bulb. So first you wanna pop that clip up like so. You pull out the old plastic piece. Cool thing that we found out with that old plastic piece is it's actually got a vent right here, which is gonna be great for venting out those bulbs. Next thing is we're gonna remove the old bulb. First slip the clip off the back like so. And then after that, you're going to press down on that silver clip, and that'll release the metal clip right there. We're going to actually remove that out of the way because we have such a fat bulb going in there. We have to actually slip that on over top sides of the bulb. Next, slip out the silver one. As you can see, if we're looking at that silver one and you compare it, that's why we have to take the clip off. Look at how fat the end is right here. So when we put this in, we'll work the clip around. So give us 2 seconds here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this big metal clip as well. After that is off of here, you can see we'll have the new bulb right there. That's going to slide in, big tab up. After you do that, just seat it. Grab the first silver ring. We're going to work that around. Now this can be fun, so just basically working it around the housing so you can get it back. So once you get it around, you might have to bend this clip down a little bit. We noticed that once you put it around, since it is a bit fatter, it might not fully engage until you basically squish it down. And then once you squish it down, it should just hook in like that. Now that it's got around, you've bent this in. Again, you just squish it in like, imagine if you're squishing a spring. Once you do that, it's in. Now we would hook that up to our 3-pin. And then you're going to want to tuck that in after you do that. Again, just tuck it into the housing a little bit. And then when you're putting on your plastic cover again, just make sure you aim that little tunnel down at the ground, because you don't want, if any water does come in from the top, maybe you have your hood open when it's raining, last thing you want is water going in through that hole on the top. Oh, and don't forget that silver clip. Nothing really custom about that, just clip it back in. Just like we said, right there. And it just seats as long as it's aimed down. Slip this back into the barb, and we'll get him to turn on his lights, and then we can see the difference. Whoa. Wow, look at the difference. Those look so old school. These look like icebergs. It looks nice. It's not too blue, so it's not going to get you in trouble. It's not 8K, where it's almost that purpley blue. It's that iceberg blue that I love. But yeah, that's how easy it is. Copy it to the other side, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching. Press like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more. If you take a look, we didn't switch the one high beam right here, so it has that dual tone look. It's actually kind of cool. Kind of makes it blend.